Hey guys, welcome back to another lit video. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like and to subscribe so you're notified every time we post. Today I'm gonna do pretending to sneeze on people. Chastity, say hi. Oh, little camera shot. Chase. To our little two babies.
What's up?
Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Go. Okay, go.
Bye. I go.
Achoo! Oh, sorry, David. Achoo! 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 Sorry, Fred. Oh wait, I think Mommy took it. Huh? Mommy took it on the thing that I went to give you.
Run.
God! Wow! Achoo! Sorry, I didn't mean to sneeze. Sorry, Edward. Sorry, Edward. Sorry, Edward.
What the outfit, boy? Where you going with all the
Sorry, Daddy.
I didn't even look at that.
Sorry, Mommy. Sorry, Mommy. Well guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So until next time, see you later.